Here's a neat midsize SUV that's also very affordable. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Today I'd like to show you this 2021 Nissan Rogue S all-wheel drive. Beautiful little vehicle. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room, reversible cargo mat, even a neat little first aid kit. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Argent colored 17-inch alloy wheels with Continental tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear heating and air vents in the back of the center console. It's gun metallic with two-tone charcoal interior, tinted windows, contrasting black door handles, and mirror caps. LED daytime running lights and headlights, forward collision sensor integrated right into the grille. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, heated seat controls, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. Only 35,000 local trade-in miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera, heating and air controls, push button start, USB ports, 12-volt outlet, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2021 Nissan Rogue S, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.